This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do gentle movement with your neck. This can help with neck and jaw pain, as well as help with preventing headaches. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. You will want to sit down since this can definitely cause dizziness. Start with slow circles as full range as you can go. One direction and then the other way. Once warmed up, feel free to move your neck however it feels good. The sillier, the better. If you get dizzy, take a second and let your ears settle. Then just start up again. Do this for 2 to 5 minutes. And since it's so gentle, you can do it multiple times a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.